Another set of ITIL v3 foundational concepts is the accountabilities and responsibilities of three process-related roles: the process owner, process manager, and process practitioner, and the service owner role. A model cited in ITIL v3 for sorting roles is RACI. RACI stands for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. The RACI model is used for identifying the correct level of involvement for roles against activities. The last ITIL v3 foundational concept is technology and architecture, including automated resource capacity responding to demand, automated self-service capabilities to service demand off hours, and automation for knowledge capture, optimization, measurement, improvement, and unnecessary variation reduction. It covers areas that could benefit from automation, including scripting of course, but also with automation meaning any tooling as in a self-service portal for the service desk or a monitoring tool. Note that if you compare ITIL 4, this concept is the ITIL 4 principle: optimize and automate.